In today's video, we will see some amazing websites which will be really very useful for you. Hi, my name is Vijay and you are watching Office Monk. Let's start the video without any delays. Our first website is cleanuppictures.com. From here we can remove any unwanted object, defect, people or text from any of the pictures in seconds. We can select a picture from here or we can drag our picture over here. I'll select a picture. I have uploaded my picture over here. Here we get two options, continue with HD or try Pro for 3 days. In case you want to download your pictures in high definition, you can try this. If you are okay with HD pictures, you can continue with this. I'll click over here. Here we get two options of eraser and brush. You can manage your brush size from here. Now we have to click on the object which we want to remove. And we have to release our mouse. The object got removed, but the shadow is still here. We will put our mouse over here and we will draw the brush. And we'll release it. So the unwanted object got removed. We will remove one more object. We will remove the shadow. And the unwanted objects got removed very properly. We can download our picture from here, download, and it will be downloaded to the desired place. Our second website is cutout.pro. We will click on product and from here we will go to passport photo maker. We will have to upload an image and our picture is ready. We will go on paper size and we will select a desired size. These are some common sizes over here from where we can select the desired size. Here we get option of background color. We can change the background color. In case you want to change the outfit, it can be done from here. Here we get three options, men's, women's and children's. We will go in women and we will select an outfit. The outfit got changed very properly. In case you want to change it, it can be done. Once you are done with changes, you will have to click on done. And from here you can download the picture. We have got few more options over here, like image background remover, video background remover and so on. Our third website is watermarkremover.io. From here we can remove watermarks from any of our images and it's free. We will have to click over here on upload image and we will select an image. Our image is over here. Here we get two options, remove text and remove logo. We will click on remove text. And the text got removed from the picture, but logos are still here. We will click over here on remove logo and all the watermarks got removed very properly. We can click over here on download image and we can download it. Our next website is remove.bg. From here we can remove background from any of the picture. We will click on upload image. If you want, you can drop your picture over here or even you can paste your URL. I'll click on upload image and I'll select a picture. The processing is going on and the background got removed. You can download your picture from here, download or download HD. Our next website is AI Image Enlarger. From here we can enlarge our pictures. Even we can clean our blurry pictures. I'll select an image. If you want, you can drag and drop your picture over here. I have uploaded my picture over here. Here we get option of 2x or 4x. I'll select 4x. Here we get few tools of edit. We can crop our picture over here. We can fine tune. But we are not going to use these tools. We will click over here on start and the uploading process got started. It takes some time to process the picture. Once the processing will be done, we will have to click on download and our picture got downloaded. Now we will compare both the pictures. So both the pictures are over here. This is the picture which we have processed right now and this is the older picture. And we can see change in the quality. Here we get few more options like image enlarger, anime, means you can create animations from here. I'm sure you must have loved the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon with a new topic. Till then, bye bye.